I'm starting my journey into gaming on Linux, and it's time to install Bazzite onto my gaming computer alongside Windows. I've come across a big hurdle while trying to get it installed, and that is I get stuck on this black screen after the initial loading screens. Some internet research tells me to try a different port on my video card. On my RTX 3090, I have the first two ports connected to two monitors via DisplayPort. So I connect the spare HDMI port to the capture card on my recording PC and I still get the same issue. Further research suggests disconnecting all monitors I don't need. So seeing as I have the capture card connected via HDMI, I disconnect the two DisplayPort monitors and success! The GUI installer now appears. Awesome! Finally getting somewhere. After progressing through the installer and logging in, I connect the first DisplayPort for my main monitor and Bazzite correctly detects it. I then make it my primary monitor, disable the HDMI port as a monitor, and then shut down my PC. With the PC powered off, I disconnect the HDMI port from the 3090 and on next boot, success! It works as planned. That's all there is to it. If you're having an issue installing Bazzite by getting a black screen, try connecting your computer to a display with a HDMI port and hopefully it'll allow you to get Bazzite installed. If this helps you out, drop a comment and let me know. It's always great hearing your stories. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're doing well. Until next time, bye.